is up, guys? Speedy Scoop here, bringing you another video. I appreciate you guys always tuning in each and every time I upload. You guys are the realest, and I love you guys. With that being said, today's video is going to consist of the Subaru. I got a couple more videos that I've been recording. I've just been getting more content with that, just like my brother. He has an Acura TL, my little brother, and he's been building that, so I have videos of that, engine swap, doing all that. Plus, I got my brother, Corolla, my uncle. I got a bunch of cars, plus all this other content. But let's get to the main reason you guys are here. Ooh, also, I wanted to show you guys my Hot Wheel wall. Like, look at that. Behind there, too. I got tons of Hot Wheels. Loose ones everywhere. Because I wheel swap, too, but... Woo! I can't wait to finish out everything. Sorry for the loud fan. This one's all broken, as you can see, all the pieces down there and stuff. Plus, I have this ghetto fan that, you know, me and my brother ghetto rigged. And this one running. And this one took a crap. So with that being said, it's hot as crap. Feels like 100 degrees. Guys, we are going to be painting the rims on the Subi. As you can see, I did that one a long time ago. It looks beautiful, looks good. But I just never finished them out. So I got like two looking like that front one, and then the rest looking like that. But today's video, I'm going to show you just a quick little Walmart, you know. Flat back, flat black, flat black, flat black. That's gonna be my primer because I'm going with a color shift. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see it that good. There's not that much sunlight outside, but it turns a lot of different colors. Let's see if I go closer. But yeah, I like it. So pretty much I'm just trying to make it more presentable until I put my new wheels on. And in the meantime, just paint these, put the body kit on, do everything I need to do, and have all the pieces ready so it can be all one color in the future. But yeah, body kit, paint these wheels until I put the other wheels on, plus a lot more. Woo! Time to rice out this suit. Alright guys, I kind of forgot to record some of the code I did, but here is some of it. This is the first code. There we go. Doesn't look bad in black, right? Sorry the sun is not out. Not bad, not bad. Alright ladies and gents, it's a little dark, but it's the best for presentation. Look at that. Dark. Looks like black wheels, right guys? Right? It gives it kind of a plum look, right? Oh. Oh. There it goes. And this is just the first coat. Let me see. Let me see if I zoom in it does better, because it looks so blurry. You guys see that? Maybe that one looks better. Let's see if I do it this way. This light is not doing justice. It's making it look horrible. This light is not making it look good. It's making it look dull. Anyways guys, this looks absolutely gorgeous. It's so shiny, beautiful, really purple, type pink glitter. I'm gonna add more coats. This is the first coat. Sorry for this being so long right now talking. Alright ladies and gents, it's even darker. You can put them right there and I'll get them. It's drying up, that's why you see those dry spots. But pretty much that darkness, that purple, you see that? That's how it's going to look. Once I put the clear coat, obviously, but yes. Oh, I wish, man, maybe in the daylight, once the sun hits it, I can show you without this light right here, and then it'll give you the full effect. Whew, tomorrow morning. But let me keep adding some more coats, maybe one or two more coats. Alright guys, it's about 6:30 in the morning. Beautiful weather. Gotta finish up the scooter, the dirt bike, and the other dirt bike. Plus I got a go-kart in the back I gotta finish up too. Alright guys, real reason we're here to see before clear coat is done. Sheesh. Sheesh. Let's see if you can see the color. If I don't get in the way. So bright on my phone. Hopefully you guys can see the color shift. Let's see. Alright guys, this is the final product. Hopefully you guys can see what I can see. Probably doesn't do justice, but I love it. Round 2 is going good. Gloss is going on. Sheesh. Alright guys, now for 2 more. Final result, nice and dark. Car is super dirty. Still need to do the calipers and, you know, all that fancy. But what do you guys think? There's no sun to justify the pearl. But guys, let me see if I go more back. Sorry for the jack, but I like it because it gives it that black race look, but also when the sun hits it, it gives it that nice type whatever. You get the concept. God, I love it. It's different. Don't mind the ratchet hair. Anyways guys, let me know down in the comments what you truly think and your thoughts on the color. I truly love it, but let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, let's get started ricing out this freaking Subaru, and let's get this body kit on and let's see how the front and back bumper look together. And I got more pieces of other stuff, and I got a lot of stuff that's going into this car to make it early 2000s vibe. Last few overall. Alright guys, let's do it. For right now, I just brought the front bumper out. It needs to be sanded down obviously and painted, but I'm just gonna sand it and probably primer it, but overall just sand it and see where I get, because I need to color match it to the silver. I need to also drill holes everywhere that the OEM one has holes, so it can hold on nicely and not have to worry about nothing. Making progress to rice this baby out. Just been marking it. I drilled 1 hole so far on that side, but wanted to let's hope It's nice and circle. Let me see if I get you. Yep, nice and good. That's just the shavings at the bottom. And yeah, so once I take the shavings at the bottom, you know, like with all that crazy extra stuff, it'll look good. Now I have to do the other half. Still not bolted on. I just drilled all the holes now and they line up, thank Lord. So that's without the grill. It doesn't look too bad, but this is with the grill. I'll probably paint it, not the pink emblem, but everything around, just paint it black, make it look good. And yeah, I like it, I like it, I like it. Alright, going to sand down all the little imperfections, make it nice and smooth. Going to paint it flat black. I wish I had a front mount intercooler. The previous owner had it, but he went back to top mount. Whatever, still nice overall. Got a metal mesh for it so it can block the little hole. And yeah, let's do this. Okay, sanded, wiped, and ready for black, well, flat black primer. So let's get it. Let's get this done and over with, and let's see it on the car before it gets dark. Very light coats are going on. I gotta finish the bottom a little bit better, but I just pretty much, since the bottom won't be seen, I don't really care for the little that I left, but definitely getting somewhere. Very light. And now to finish the whole thing so I can let it dry and do another whole coat. I knew I wouldn't be able to get multiple coats with the one can I had because I already used a quarter of it for some rims I was doing. So with that being said, this is how far I got. See, still got to finish all the way under, but I was trying to finish all around here. Still drying. Got to do all up there. But overall, it's looking good. Way better in black. Looks way more official. Still drying. Okay. So after $80, 2 spray cans, one of these babies. I also bought this set. I just saw it. It looked like a good price. I don't even know why it was in this aisle, but you know, got drill bits, got a whole freaking thing. Plus, got a bunch of other random shit. I hate going to Walmart. I always get a bunch of stuff. Alright, the front is behind my car baking in the sun. Now to unwrap the back bumper and get it prepped, pretty much. Put it on the car. Measure out all the holes that need to be there, drill it out, sand it down, paint it, and by the time I'm done with that, put on the front bumper, and then by then should be dry with this. Fully unwrapped. Give you a little sneak peek. It's hard to see. License plate. I'm going to have to cut little holes for the lights for the license plate because, you know, if I don't have lights for the license plate, I will get chewed out. Don't mind my trunk. It's a mess. I got all the pieces in different spots in my garage and shed, but I gotta take out the tail lights, have a 10 mil and a bunch of little other type, I forgot what they're called, holding it on. So let's do that. Have a lot of drilling and a lot of work for this rear bumper to go on. Bro, I'm sweating my ass off. I've been wiping the sweat like no tomorrow. Back bumper completely off. Look how dirty, spider webs, but this thing is so dirty, has never seen in the 3 years I've owned it like this. So get to fitting the back bumper on for the body kit, line up everything. Well, we're gonna clean it up before we do that, and then pretty much keep measuring as good as we can, so when we do mark all the holes, we have nothing to worry about. Shit you not, you see all this? Whoa, before I drop one. And all of that just for the bumper. Literally, there's like 20 freaking things holding this thing on. Cleaned pretty much as I could. I can do a lot more, but I'm happy where it's at. It's pretty clean compared to what it was night and day. I'm just gonna finish out this little styrofoam bumper thing, clean it up nicely, and then measure up the body kit. This took me quite a bit because I was taking my time. Yep, I cannot get this shit to fit. I'm showing you pretty much as I can get it on. I can push it a little bit more, but other than that, it's just not lining up all the way. Like, I can't get it to pretty much go over this little area right here, so I'm having like troubles there. It starts rubbing here inside there, so like it needs to be trimmed down or something so it can be nice and smooth and be more flush. But I took this little thing off. I still have to take off more, but I was just trying to get to a point where I can put this part over here. I'm having trouble
Try not to crack it, but yeah, this would have looked really great. So I'm going to have to figure out a way, you know, modify it, do a lot of customization to this bumper just so it can fit flush. Number one, once all the body lines fit flush, that will be the best thing. And then after that, I can drill as many holes, do what I got to do just so it can be mocked up and not fall off. And yeah, so guys, let's put on that front bumper, and yeah, let's just keep it moving. I'm definitely digging the way it looks. Black looks good too. I just gotta pretty much put it on all the way. Gotta put the grill on. I'm actually spraying that down now. Should be done sprayed real soon. Completely flat black just to match the body kit. I covered the emblem so it can still be pink. But other than that, it's gonna tie together very nicely. That side shot, look at that. That back bumper I will work on and get that on real soon. Here's not fully closed, but this is how it looks. Definitely an aggressive racing type Need for Speed look. I freaking love it. Can't wait for the grill to go on and the back bumper and to color match it. But I do have some side skirt extension type, wherever those things that go under it, it's carbon fiber. I might add those too. Since I have to put the OEM bumper back on, I'm going to fully clean it, and I already put the little foam piece for the bumper, but I'm going to fully clean it and yeah, spray the mud flaps. Okay guys, this is where we're at. Grill color matched in a sense, I guess. Now to put the whole rear, I had let's see if you can see it from over here, cleaned the stock bumper just so it could be nice and spotless. Cleaned all the rear, obviously, remember that. Putting back the foam. Now just have to put the bumper on and put everything back so it could work like it did before. So I unfortunately had to put the rear back on stock. So this is how she sits right now. Just put that back on. I will eventually trim and do what I have to do to customize the rear body kit, but overall this is how she sits. I love the wheels painted. It gives it a good, you know, blend of sparkle plus darkness. And I really like how that bumper sits up front. Looks so mean. And once I do get a big front mount intercoolers, it's gonna look even meaner. But as of right now, she's pretty. I do really enjoy it. So
It's about to storm. It's Florida weather. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video with that note. I appreciate you guys always tuning in. I'm just trying to give you as much content as I can. I will be working on the other cars, but as of right now, I'm pushing as much as I can. And I appreciate all the love. Thank you guys. You take care.